So with this exercise, we're focused on twisting and rotating our body. So I just want you to get set up seated, set up nice and tall. You can have your hands supported on your thighs. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna rotate. We're gonna rotate our upper body and our neck. We're gonna go side to side as far as we feel comfortable with. I'm letting my hands move forward and back on my thighs. Just focusing on my breathing. This is really good, and I give this to a lot of people that sit at a desk for most of the day, or they're just sitting a lot. This really helps with getting everything moving. I want you to focus on getting your shoulder blades going. So if I go to the right, squeeze the right shoulder blade back, push the left shoulder blade forward, and then just reverse it. Right shoulder blade forward, squeeze the left one back, open up your chest. Wherever your eyes go, that's going to help with promoting the motion. So if I look to the left, that's going to help with rotating my body to the left. Vice versa.
For this exercise, I'm going to anchor a band about my wrist height onto a stable surface, and then I'm going to walk out until I find my desired resistance. So this is about a good challenge for me, and I'm just going to hold this position. I have a shirt here. You can use a towel or anything to support it, so that way the arm comes a little bit out. It's usually a little more comfortable in this position. Now what I'm pulling with here is my shoulder blade. My shoulder blade is pulled back, but also the outside of my shoulder should be working with this exercise. So really it's the muscles on the inside of the shoulder blade and then the outside of the shoulder. That's what's going to be pulling the band out. So hold this position as long as prescribed and then come on off.
For this exercise, get set up at the edge of the chair, and then with your hands, get them on the edge of the chair. Don't have them too far back so that your elbows are really far back. Have them just by your pockets, even a little bit back. Now what you're going to think about is push your shoulder blades down. Try to lift your butt up off the chair. Now you're just going to hold this position. So again, it's the opposite of shrugging your shoulders. We're going to depress your shoulders and your shoulder blades, and then you're going to hold this position. If this gets really easy, you're not challenged by this, you can bring your feet out because now you're going to have less support from your lower body. But again, support yourself, hold as long as you.
You want to wrap the band around your back, and for this exercise you want to focus on pushing the arms away from you as far as you can. This means pushing the scapula, the shoulder blades, as far away from you as you can. Then come back and then round. And if you don't have a crossover symmetry unit like this, what you can do is wrap a TheraBand around your back and do the same exercise. So to perform it like this, you'll wrap it around behind your back, and then from here you're going to push your arms away from you. This means pushing the shoulder blades away from you as well, and then come back to starting position.